Owning and managing rental property requires more than collecting the rent check each month and hiring a cleaning crew between tenants. Landlords interview potential tenants, show property, and they schedule repairs. All of this is part of the landlord's legal responsibility. State and local laws govern the relationship between landlords and tenants. As a landlord, you must know what you're expected to do according to the law. Perhaps the landlord's most important responsibility is to keep the property in a condition that's suitable to live in, and this means the property complies with state and local building codes, is structurally sound and presents no danger to the health of the renters. For example, the property needs a working toilet and shower or bathtub in a private room. The property also must have proper ventilation and safety features like working smoke alarms and emergency exits. Plumbing, electrical and gas facilities need to work correctly. The roof, doors, windows and exterior walls should protect the occupants from wind and rain. But sometimes the most essential equipment is heating and air conditioning. You also must repair and maintain the property so that it's habitable. This is true while tenants live there and before you rent to someone new. You also need to keep up with certain types of maintenance during the lease period. Not only does this keep the property in habitable condition, but it shows good faith toward your tenants. As a landlord, you must tell your renters about any known hazards on the property. For example, if the property built before 1978, you have to give renters a pamphlet produced by the Environmental Protection Agency that explains the dangers of lead paint. If you know that previous owners used lead-based paint, you have to share that information with the renters. You have to tell renters if the property has asbestos. If the property constructed before 1980, it's possible that the builders used materials containing the carcinogen. Other disclosures you may need to provide will include notifying renters that someone died in the property, whether the property is within 1 mile of a closed military base where they worked with explosives, if the property is in the local airport flight pattern, or if the property has contamination from methamphetamine production. Landlord-tenant laws do change, so it helps to work with a real estate attorney who keeps up with them. If you have questions about your responsibilities as a landlord, need help resolving a dispute with a tenant, or want us to draft documents, call us. We'll help you protect your rights and your investment, so you and your tenants sleep well at night. Give Woodaclaw a call today for a free consultation. 714-351-3236